Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we are definitely in a very healthy state with Bitcoin seeing such a high inflow of cash and breaking above 71,000. Dogecoin retesting its strongest resistance close to 17 cents, and there are some major factors which are definitely going to push up the market even more. First one being the US election, and the second one the SEC interest rate, which most likely is going to be dropping. Therefore, the riskier assets are going to be seeing more inflow of cash, and November is always the best performing month when it comes to the crypto market. If you want to talk about whales, this whale decided to buy about $54 million worth of Dogecoin less than 4 days ago. Now you can see that October is always the best performing month, but November following along is even a bigger month. So therefore, if you think this is already a good run up, we got a long way to go. Will Dogecoin price jump even more after Elon Musk's comment and the political shift? Strong investment flows into the Bitcoin while pushing over 70k, but there is a long way to go. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, which is up to you to algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market, higher user engagement, more inflow of cash, the market starts pumping, and all of us make a lot of profit. One thing that you need to be paying attention to when it comes to Dogecoin is what are the big whales doing, and that's what I have been looking at. And this is one of the whales that was just created less than a week ago. I mean, you can say about 5 days ago they just made this wallet, and they decided to purchase about $54 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 13.7, and in about 5 days they have made about $11 million worth of profit. Now this should give you perspective how much can change in a very short period of time. Now, I'm not saying this person was not already rich. $50 million is a lot of money, but seeing a $10 million profit in less than 5 days can only happen in crypto. That's the best way to describe it. And this is actually a really crazy thing, which I feel like a lot of people don't understand. Yes, October has been the best performing month for crypto every single year around. Even this year around, it's up about 7%. And this is just talking about Bitcoin, not just the whole crypto market. But when it comes to November, you can see that there have been some months which have seen even bigger numbers compared to October. And seeing that October hasn't done some crazy numbers, definitely November does have a lot of potential. And keeping in mind that November is going to be the election results. And I mean, if you guys have been paying attention on Twitter, you will see that right now Trump is in lead by quite a margin. Now, personally, I just want to say, I'm not from the America, so this election doesn't make a huge difference to my life, but when it comes to crypto, it does. And Trump is in lead by quite a margin. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, Trump is a very strong supporter of crypto. Therefore, a lot of crypto holders are going to be very excited by this. And let's just say the excitement is going to fuel the market with more money. And that's exactly what is happening right now. Dogecoin price jumps 14% after Elon Musk's comment. Now, if you guys do not know, Elon has been a really strong supporter of Doge, but 3 years straight, he decided to do nothing. He made no comments relating to Doge. And that's one of the reasons why, you know, Dogecoin was not doing some big numbers. Well, in the back end, we later found out that Elon was definitely facing some problems with the SEC saying he is manipulating the market. Once he was let off that case, he has come back into the Doge army stronger than before. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Him mentioning himself as the Doge father is definitely hinting that he is going to be talking about crypto and Dogecoin, to be more specific, a lot more often. Now, talking about Bitcoin, the way it's performing, it's already broken above pretty much everything that we have seen before. Breaking above its all-time high will be close to 73,000, but this time around, it's most likely going to do it because it's definitely in an upwards momentum, and there are new things that will be coming out, which is definitely going to act as a catalyst rather than slowing down the market, such as the US election results, which is very likely going to be in Trump's favor. And the second thing is the SEC interest rate cut, which I'm just going to say it's an interest rate cut that might be happening around the 7th of November. So it's going to be a very good month in November, and definitely crypto is going to see a lot of inflow of cash. Talking about Dogecoin, to be more specific, you can see that it's sitting on 16.5 cents. Now there is a little bit of resistance, but the biggest resistance that Dogecoin will have to break is close to 17.5. After that, we do not have much that will be slowing down the market. And if you look at the open interest, it's up 36%, and after about 3 to 4 months, we're finally seeing over 1 billion open interest for Dogecoin, and that's a huge number. And the long to short ratio, actually, it's surprisingly that even though the market climbs so quickly, we're still sitting close to 60% on the positive end. So there are people that are being very optimistic when it comes to Dogecoin. And this is another whale. You can see that they were already holding on to a lot of Dogecoin, about 1.2 billion, and they purchased quite crazy in the last week or two. And you can see that their purchase in total comes to about $12 million. So they do definitely see the market climbing very, very soon. And 59% of all the traders on Binance right now with the open features are going short on Bitcoin. Is this a scary technical analysis? Actually, there's a better way of seeing this. The best way to see this is when they do get liquidated, the price is going to see even a bigger bounce rather than, you know, a little bit of a run up. We're going to see a really strong run up if all of these people decide to get liquidated. And miners recently locked in about 3 million in profit. Now, that's not a huge number when it comes to Bitcoin, but it's really interesting to see that the miners are also taking a little bit of profit. Dogecoin surges 24 billion market cap following the Trump rally reference. So Dogecoin, the leading, let's just say, the crypto when it comes to meme coin. Elon Musk mentioning anything relating to Dogecoin right now is going to have a very significant impact, and I'm really ready. That's the right word to do. Honestly, right now, the best thing to do is simply relax, because there is so much happening in the background. And at the same time, you need to understand that there is many other tokens which are going to be doing good. I'm not just talking about Bitcoin. I'm trying to talk about the overall crypto market. The reason it's going to do so good is because the election is so close, and then the Fed interest rate meeting is very close, and November is the best performing month. So you can see that there is a lot of things which are actually going in the favor of crypto, so it's obviously going to be running up. Why is the crypto market up today? Well, whale accumulation is high, Bitcoin ETF inflow is doing some crazy numbers, election speculation, and options market trends. I mean, even if you look at the social engagement or social sentiment, they're both very, very positive when it comes to the whole of the crypto market. Not just talking about Dogecoin or Bitcoin. Actually, everyone is seeing a big number. And if you look at the meme coin category, you'll be able to see that the meme coins market cap is doing some good numbers. I mean, it's definitely climbing, and that's exactly what we want to see. Right now is a perfect time to accumulate more before we go explosive. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.